In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your PayPal account from Gumroad. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can safely disconnect PayPal as a payment option on your Gumroad account. Even if your screen looks slightly different, the general flow should be the same, so just follow along. First, open your web browser and go to the Gumroad website. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Gumroad dashboard. This is the main area where you see your products, sales, and other account information. Make sure you're on this dashboard page before moving on. From your dashboard, look for the settings option. This is usually located in the navigation menu, often on the left side or at the top, depending on your layout. Click on Settings to open your account configuration area. This is where you control things like your profile, notifications, and most importantly for this video, your payment settings. Inside the settings page, you'll see several tabs or sections. Find and click on the one labeled Payments. This is the section that manages how you get paid on Gumroad and which payment methods are connected to your account. Once you're in the Payments section, scroll down until you reach the PayPal area. Gumroad usually separates different payout options, so you might see things like bank accounts, direct payouts, and then a specific section for PayPal. Keep scrolling until you clearly see the PayPal heading or any PayPal related text. If your PayPal account is currently connected, you should see some details about it here, along with a button or link that allows you to manage or disconnect it. This might be labeled something like disconnect, remove, configure, or disable PayPal as a payment option. Click that option to start the disconnection process. Gumroad may ask you to confirm that you really want to remove PayPal. Read any message that appears carefully, since disconnecting PayPal can affect how you receive future payments. If you're sure you want to proceed, confirm the action. After confirming, the PayPal section should update and no longer show your account as connected. If you no longer see your PayPal details or the disconnect option, that usually means your PayPal account